When comparing NordVPN versus IPVanish, it's essential to consider the key differences between the best premium features and what's best for multi-device households. Stick with me as we dive deep into both of these VPNs, and I'll let you know which one really delivers when it comes to their specific strengths and the best option for your needs by the end. First off, let's talk about the premium features. NordVPN has a lot to offer in this department. Their standout feature is the double encryption option, which adds an extra layer of security. This is a big deal for those who prioritize privacy or are concerned about being tracked online. NordVPN also has a feature called CyberSEC, which blocks malicious websites and ads, and that's something you don't always see in other VPNs. Plus, it supports obfuscated servers for those in countries with heavy internet restrictions, which is a huge bonus. But it's not all perfect. NordVPN can be slightly slower than some of the other VPNs in the market, especially if you're connecting to distant servers. Next thing, let's take a look at IPVanish. When it comes to multi-device households, IPVanish is hard to beat. Unlike NordVPN, which limits simultaneous connections to 6 devices, IPVanish offers unlimited device connections, meaning you can protect all your devices, laptops, phones, smart TVs, under one plan. If you have a lot of devices at home or want to share your VPN with family members, IPVanish could be the more convenient choice. That said, IPVanish doesn't offer quite as many advanced security features as NordVPN, and its speeds can be inconsistent depending on the server you're connected to. Moving on to the next point, price. IPVanish tends to be the more affordable option of the two, especially when you look at long-term plans. With its unlimited device support, it's a solid pick if you want value for money while protecting a lot of devices. NordVPN, however, tends to be on the pricier side. But with that higher cost, you get extra features like the NordLynx protocol, which significantly boosts speed and performance, making it a better choice if you want both security and fast browsing. Now, let's talk about performance. NordVPN has a clear edge in terms of speed. Thanks to its NordLynx protocol, it consistently outperforms IPVanish on most server connections, especially if you're streaming or gaming. If you're looking for a faster, smoother online experience, NordVPN should be your go-to. IPVanish, on the other hand, is more of a middle-of-the-road performer in terms of speed, adequate, but not exceptional, especially on some of its more distant servers. The fourth thing is their server networks. NordVPN's network is far larger, with over 5,400 servers across 59 countries. This provides more options for users, and it generally means better performance because you're less likely to face congestion on a given server. IPVanish, however, has a smaller network, around 2,000 servers in 50-plus countries. While it's still good for most users, NordVPN's larger network can make a noticeable difference for certain locations and use cases. Finally, let's not forget customer support. Both services offer 24/7 support, but NordVPN's live chat tends to be quicker and more helpful. They also have a larger knowledge base with more detailed guides. IPVanish's customer service is decent, but it's often reported that it can take a bit longer to resolve issues. Both NordVPN and IPVanish offer strong features, but they cater to different needs. NordVPN is the clear winner when it comes to premium features, security, and performance. However, if you're looking for a VPN that works across multiple devices in a large household without breaking the bank, IPVanish takes the lead. After trying both of these myself, I can say they're both solid options, but if you're aiming for the best overall experience, especially if you want both premium features and multi-device support, then I recommend checking out the free trial available through the first link in the description. This trial gives you exclusive benefits that you won't get anywhere else. That's it for today's comparison. If you want the best of both worlds, premium security features, and the ability to connect all your devices, take advantage of the free trial and you won't regret it.